In this video, I'll show you how to switch your AT&T service from a physical SIM card to an eSIM. Whether you're setting up a new device or simply want to use eSIM technology, the process is quick and easy. Before starting, make sure your phone supports eSIM. You're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Wireless account lock is turned off. You can sign into your AT&T account and receive verification codes. Transfer your physical SIM to an eSIM. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Open your phone's mobile network settings. Select Add eSIM or Convert to eSIM. Follow the on-screen instructions. Verify your identity if prompted. Complete the transfer and wait for activation. Once activated, your physical SIM will be deactivated automatically. After activation, once the transfer is complete, your AT&T number will be active on the eSIM. Calls, text messages, and mobile data should work normally. Your physical SIM card will no longer be needed. You can remove the old SIM card after confirming everything is working properly. Important notes: AT&T Prepaid users can call 800-901-9878 for eSIM assistance. Keep your old phone until the eSIM is activated. Activation may take a few minutes to complete. Check the link in the description for the full written guide and additional troubleshooting tips. You've successfully transferred your AT&T service from a physical SIM card to an eSIM. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more AT&T guides, eSIM tutorials, and mobile tech tips. Thanks for watching.